lovers, this is Bree coming to you from Umami Gourmet Coffee and Exotic Tea, and today I wanted to feature some chais. Now I know there are a lot of chai tea lovers out there, so we are going to feature the chai teas that we have here in our shop, and I'm also going to do a chai tea latte with a little spin. We have at least 7 different chais here, and we do have a chai tea box, and I will talk about that a little bit at the end. But let's start with making the chai tea latte so that can sit, because it has to sit for a while to brew, and then I'm going to talk about the teas. So to put a little spin on this particular chai tea, I am going to use the Chocolate Lovers chai, which has all of those nice ingredients in there, the cardamom, the cinnamon, but it also has chocolate in there. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the chocolate chai, and then I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of my Chai Loves caramel. And you can see that has some beautiful bits in there as well. So let's get a teaspoon of that. I'm gonna put our hot water in there. Now I'm only going to fill this up about 3/4 of the way because I'm going to make it a latte, which means I'm going to use steamed milk. So we're going to let this sit about 3 or 4 minutes or so, and let's get into our video. Okay, so let's talk about the chais that we have here. And chai tea is such a celebrated tea, and it's a tea that a bunch of different cultures use. Mostly the Indian culture, but we're going to talk about the chai teas that Umami has here in our stock, or our stock of chai teas. So, of course, the first one is the Masala chai. This is the one that most people are familiar with. And this has its black tea, its cardamom, its cinnamon. It is on Indian black tea. There's ginger with a vanilla finish. And this one is pretty standard, except for, you know, I always have to put a little extra touch in there. But this one has the vanilla finish, so it's really good. And then the Chai Loves caramel. And I'm gonna put my pictures up, but you can see the star anise seeds and the black tea, the cardamom bits. And this one has a caramel finish, and it has coriander in there also, with creamy caramel. So that's why it's Chai Loves Caramel is the name. Then we have our Chocolate Lovers chai. So for all my chocolate lovers, this is a black tea with ginger. It also has the green cardamom, but it has chocolate chips and vanilla bits in there, or vanilla flavoring in there. So this one is kind of fun. I really like it because it does have the hints of chocolate in there, but you can still get the chai. And these are all black teas. Most people are familiar with chai tea as a latte. So just like I'm gonna do with my teapot that I made, you can add your milk to it to make it put the steamed milk to make it the latte piece. So the Bengal spice chai. Now this one has a Rooibos base, but it still has your notes of cloves, your cinnamon, your cardamom on there. This is also decaf. And we have 2 decaf chais. The Masala chai I have in a decaf, and I have the Rooibos chai in a decaf as well. But it's on a Rooibos base. It's the cardamom. All the flavors are in there, but it's just a decaf chai. Now, let's get into some more fancy chais. And Oh my chai. It's not fancy, but it's not traditional. It has all of your flavors in there of a chai, the cardamom, the cinnamon, um, the cloves in there. But this one is a black tea with a rooibos. It still has the vanilla finish because I just love that. But it also has a little bite at the end because it has cayenne peppers in there. And so it's not, you know, the more tea you put in, the spicier it's gonna be. But the cayenne pepper is just at the end of it, so you may get that little finish with pepper. It's really good. It has black pepper in there too, so that one's good. And we have probably the fanciest one and the most complicated one. And when I say complicated, I mean it has lots of layers of flavors. So this one, it's a chai. Start off, so it has the black tea base, but it also has jasmine flowers, it has lavender flowers, it has rose petals. So this one is kind of, you have to have that adventurous tongue to be able to appreciate this one. It's still good, but it's gonna take a defined palate to really appreciate this one. And that one is called Sutra chai. And then we have a Chartreuse chai, which is really just a green chai. But the green tea, this one is a little on a different taste also. Number one, because it's green tea. But this one has the cinnamon in there. It also has green cardamom. It has on a bed of green tea, but it has an almond finish to this one. So this is, and the tea looks like it's black because of the processing of it, but it really is a green tea with the almonds. You can see the big almond bits in there. And my last one is called a CoCo Nutty chai. And the reason why is because it has the coconuts, it has the flavors of the cinnamon and cardamom and everything in there that you expect in a chai, but it has a coconut finish to that one. So those are our 8 chais that we have here in stock. And we have a chai tea box that in the chai tea box you will get a mixture of teas depending on the season, but you get up to 6 ounces of the chai teas, or you can order them separately or individually if you like. But let's get back to this chai tea latte that we're about to make. So I'm gonna grab my steamed milk and then I'll be back. Okay, so we have our steamed milk. So let's make this latte. The tea has brewed and we're gonna pour this milk. You know, you can do this one of 2 ways. You can either pour the milk in your cup as you're drinking, or you can add it all, but I think I'm gonna pour it in the cup. So okay, so I have my nice old big hearty cup here because we love our chai. We want big cups of it. So let's pour the chai. I'm only going to pour a little bit at a time though. Nope, we're going to make it. So 3/4 of the chai, and then we have our steamed milk. Oh, that looks delicious. Delicious. Only fitting that I use my little teaspoon here with the cute little teapot at the top. So let's stir this up. And you're gonna hear me slurping probably, but we're all friends here, right? We don't judge. Now I can really taste the chocolate in there and the caramel. They're both playing nicely together with the black tea. They're coming through. Oh my God, this is so good. It really is. So on a nice cold day that you know we're getting ready to get, this is the perfect drink for you. It is our own chocolate caramel chai, and it's delicious. I have to get some more of that. It's a little hot right now, but definitely gonna finish it. All right, that is the roundup of the chai teas that we have here at Umami Tea, along with the chocolate caramel latte. Check us out online. I'll put all of the links down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.